Okay, welcome back to our discussion on some exercises involving here we are given actually two polynomials. Polynomial ang tawag sa expression kung ang iyahang mga exponent whole numbers. No? Positive whole numbers. That's what they call polynomial. But anyway, it don't really matter. Here we just need to, we're given two polynomials and we are tasked for task A add the two polynomials, and for task B we need to subtract the second polynomial from the first, meaning subtract the second from the first. Subtract siya from this. Okay, this is the first polynomial, this is the second polynomial. Okay, now let's go for A. Okay, now for A we simply need to add the two. So how do we add polynomial? We simply copy that. Okay, ano lang, 5z squared plus 8z to the fourth minus z squared plus 2z plus 1, okay, plus simply add, no? Maybe I could place this in a bracket, in a brace, then add this to this. So 2z to the fifth minus 5z cubed plus z minus 6, okay? And since plus lang man na, no? Murag wala lagi kami tining braces dire. So meaning I could just collect the same term. The next is collect the same term, but normally pag polynomial man good, we have different powers of, in this case, z ang variable. So we need to, arrange pa decreasing. Unahan tong i-collect na tong pinakataas og power or exponent. In this case, z to the fifth. So we collect that. 2z to the fifth. Nabay lain nga z to the fifth ang iyang exponent. Wala na, di ba? So followed by z to the fourth. We have here plus 8 z to the fourth. Nabaylain ng z to the fourth. Wala pod. Followed by z cubed. Nabatay z cubed. So, wait. Minus 5z cubed here. So, we have minus 5z cubed. Followed by, well, itong z squared. So, here we have 5z squared. As you can see, pababa ito ang z, no? Z squared. Kanipod, napay z squared, no? Minus z squared. What else? Mo lang. Mo lang ba? 5z squared. Oo. Dili man siya z squared, but z to the fifth day ang given dire. Okay, so I made a mistake sa pagsulat sa given. This is z to the fifth. So z to the fifth na siya. So dapat rin napatay ko andre, no? 5z to the fifth plus 2z to the fifth. Okay? Di ni siya 5z squared. So wala lang ni siya. So how do we do that? Well, let me erase that. Okay? Well, ito lang i-cross-cross. Okay? Wala na siya labot. So sa z squared, mo lang ni ang z squared, no? Minus z squared. And sa z to the 1, no? Or z lang. So bali na kay kuanda, no? Plus 2z dire na po kay kuano z. Mula siyang baling i-kolektahon. Then constants plus 1 dire, and dire is minus 6. And now we are ready now to simplify. So we have 5 plus 2 z squared, z to the fifth is what? 7 z to the fifth plus 8 z fourth minus 5 z cubed minus z squared. 2z plus z, that's 3z, plus 1 minus 6, that's negative 5. Okay? And kanibali ang answer nimo sa kuan. If you want to simply add those things. Nga lang kadali. I-add nimo mo na answer. Now, if we subtract, what will happen? Pag i-subtract lang, nakalahi lang is kani, may mo minus. So, may mo siyang 5z to the fifth plus 8z fourth minus z squared plus 2z plus 1 minus, okay, ano lang ko, no? Minus 2z to the fifth minus 5z cubed plus z minus 6. Then ang change dire karon is kuan lang, ang pinakakuanda na is na ron kay kani siya distribute lang nimo ni nga kuno negative para may mong plus na dayon tanan. Ang ending na will be, you'll have actually 5 z to the fifth plus 8z to the fourth minus z squared plus 2z plus 1. Kani siya, maram siya negative 1, di ba? Like, when we distribute that, it will be negative 1 times 2 minus 2z to the fifth plus, kani siya, negative 1 times negative 5, that's plus 5z cubed minus z plus 6. Okay? Nga na lang ang may tabo. Then, again, the same thing, we collect katong na ay z to the fifth. So that will be minus 2 z to the fifth. Then, ang sunod is z to the fourth. Wala may kauban ng z to the fourth ba? Followed by z to the z cube. Awa ng z cube diri ron. Well, nawala na nako pagsulat, no? Na to siya. Oo. Naraday, no? Nara ang z cube, no? Plus 5z cube. Followed by katong mga z squared minus z squared dire minus 2 wala na i-collect kauban ng z squared. Then z na pud dayon ta plus 2z dire kay na kay minus z. Imo lang gipang kolekta ba? We have constants plus 1 plus 6. The answer will be 5 minus 3, 2 is what? 3z to the fifth plus 8z to the fourth plus 5z cubed minus z squared plus z plus 7. This is your answer if you subtract the 2. This is your answer if you add the 2. Okay? Now if you ask, are you sure nga mo ni siya? Well, again, we could substitute things, okay? If you want to be sure, you could put, values. That's if you want to check, okay? You could put z equal to 1. If z is equal to 1, what is the value of this term? Well, this is simply 5 plus 8 minus 1. 5 plus 8 is 13. 5 plus 8 is 13 minus 1, that's 12, plus 2, that's 14, plus 1, that's 15. So 15 bali ni siya kani. Well, this is what? 2 minus 5, that's negative 3, plus 1, that's negative 2, minus 6, that's negative 8. Now, if you add them together, what is that? 15 plus negative 8. Ilan may answer na? That is 7, I guess, right? 7. 15 minus negative 8, that is what? That's 20, what? 23. Let us check. Pag i-add down nimo sila, dapat ang answer kay 7. Let us see kung 7 ba gini. This is 7 plus 8 minus 5 minus 1 plus 3 minus 5. Lantaw na to kung 7 ba gid ang answer. 7 plus 8, that's 15, minus 5, that's 10, minus 1, that's 9, plus 3, that's 12, minus 5, oh, that's 7. More or less, we're doing the correct answer. How about this one? 3 plus 8, kay z, kay 1 naman, no? So z to the 5th, 1 lagi na, z to the 4th, 1 lang gihapon. 3 plus 8, that's what? 11. 11 plus 5, that's 16 minus 1, that's 15 plus 1, that's 16 plus 7, that's 23. More or less, we're getting the correct answer. But this dili gini siya ko ano, dili gini siya kanang sure jud kay ka correct na ka, but more or less wala ka na mali. Nga na, dako gapon ni kag chance. You could choose different values, of course. Kung gusto nyo ka masigurado, choose z equals to 2, verify. Pero wala mo tayo calculate good, no? Dito ka verify kaya. So, this is our case. Pag nakay-calculate, ma-verify man yun mo da sa calculate ba? Dali raman ka mag-type no, but kung mupili man gud tag 2, maglisod tag magkuan mag z to the fourth pa ka, that's 16. So 8 times 16 maglisod pa ka. So kani ra atong kuan, but this is one way, very good way of checking already. So that's it. Thank you.